Inhale, arms up, stand up, lift your gaze. Exhale, relax your arms by your side. Third and final time. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, step to plank. Pausing for 3 breaths this time. Gaze down. Focus on pushing the floor away. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last breath. Inhale. Exhale, chaturanga, lower with control. This time you could come through to cobra or up dog if you're feeling warm enough. So thighs off the mat here. Press the tops of the feet into the mat. Inhale. Exhale, back to downward facing. Pause for a deep breath in. Exhale, step or hop to the top of the mat. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, arms up, lift the gaze. Exhale, relax your arms by your side. Good. Shift the weight into the left foot, hug the right knee into your chest. Pause. Focus the gaze on something that isn't moving. Inhale. Then as you exhale, hands come to prayer. Send the chest